Good evening, Doc. This is my final exam for uh, our class, World Biblical Literature. And for this report, I choose the letters as my topic for the genre of the biblical composition of its writings because it is more simple to me, and I tried to read some books of the Bible. They have more than one genre, so I choose letters because letters is so clear. We can easily identify which is the letters in the Bible, and I found out that maybe half of the New Testament is letters. It is written by someone to deal with a specific problem. And for example, Paul, he wrote the book of Romans. So the book of Romans is not a poetry, it's not a song. It's a letter, a personal letter of Paul to the Church of Romans against legalism and many problem of the church. So it is from Paul to the Romans, the first and the second Corinthians, and the Galatians, Ephesians, Thessalonians, even to Philemon. He wrote a personal letter to Philemon, and to Titus as well. He wrote a letter to Titus, and maybe the book of Hebrew, it is also written by Paul, but some they don't agree that it is from Paul. And there are some also, aside from Paul, there are some letters that were written by Peter. The first and second Peter is a letter of Peter. And James also has had a letter in the Bible. And John the beloved, he wrote a letter also for the church. And what is special about the letter is it is it was written because it answers some difficulties inside the church, divisions. There are also instructions inside the letters. So we need to understand that letters in the Bible, we can identify it because it has an author. It has recipient, receiver, and there's a message. So maybe that's all. Letter as the genre of the New Testament, because half of the New Testament is a letter. Even in Matthew, the Gospel, it is historical narrative, but there are some letters there inside. And also John, there are some letters there inside. There are also some letters that was written to be read in public. In the Old Testament, there's a lot, especially the law. So letters, that's why I have doubt. I think there is no 100% category of genre in the Bible, because inside the book they are connected to each other. After looking it as a letter, it is also historical narrative. There's a lot of it. But I am pretty sure of this. Peter, John, James, Paul, and maybe more. There are some more, but I can't remember them. They are writers of letters in the New Testament. Maybe this this is enough. So letters, I choose the topic for my final exam. Good evening.